you glampers out there, I am so excited. Jason has brought me to this place that he has been telling me about for about a week. So I am so excited to be here. We're here at lovely Canon Farms. Now, I know a lot of you guys might be aware that we love a good produce stand, but when it's attached to a family farm and everything is displayed in this incredibly charming way that you're about to see old school farm charm. We've got watermelons, melons, fruits of all kinds of varieties, local honey, all sorts of incredible local goods. So let's go, follow me, and we're gonna have a little old school farm adventure.
Well guys, I hope you're enjoying this really quaint little charm farm that we came across. I got a pleasure of talking to the owner, and she was telling me that they're only open this time for just a few months out of the year. Right now we are at the end of May going into June, so she said it's only about a 2-month window. And the great thing that I'm going to save for last to bring you guys along is that they have this huge field of sunflowers, and for $5 you can actually go through the sunflower maze and you can cut 2 sunflowers to take home with you. So we're going to go and check it out and have a really good time, and I'm going to let Todd kind of zoom in a little closer here. But here's a picture of the sunflower maze right here. Okay guys, so we're gonna go down and check it out, so follow me. Look at this, isn't this awesome? We have a whole field of sunflowers to explore. And I don't think I mentioned it, but sunflowers are my favorite flower in the whole world. So that is why I'm just grinning from ear to ear right now, finding this place. Oh, and I forgot to mention that we got some cantaloupe. We got a special cantaloupe that apparently you can't get in grocery stores called ambrosia cantaloupe. So I can't wait to try that. We got a couple of really, really good large tomatoes. And then Todd got some yellow squash and some locally sourced honey as well. So we can't wait to go and enjoy this beautiful bounty of farm freshness and goodness. So let's go check out the sunflower maze.
leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.